In this video, we're going to show you how to easily upload a photo on the DeepSeek app in 2025. Whether you're on an iPhone or Android device, the process is simple and quick. Before we start the tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips and tutorials like this one. Now let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is open the DeepSeek app on your device. Once you open the app, make sure you're logged into your DeepSeek account. When you're logged in, the interface should look similar to how other AI apps look, like ChatGPT or Google Gemini. To upload your photo, look for the small plus icon at the right side of the screen. Tap on that icon, and you'll see three options appear just below the search bar. One of the options will allow you to take a photo directly from your camera and upload it. If you want to upload a photo from your phone's photo gallery, simply select the second option, which is called Image OCR. When you tap on it, your photo gallery will open, and you'll be able to choose the photo you want to upload. Once you've selected the image, tap on Add, and the photo will begin uploading into the app. Make sure to check out the DeepSeek playlist linked in the description for more helpful tutorials. And that's how you upload a photo on DeepSeek. If the upload fails, or you get an error, it's likely due to a temporary issue on the DeepSeek server, possibly due to malicious attacks. Don't worry, the issue will be sorted soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.